Britain's King Charles and Queen Camilla have attended a number of engagements during a visit to Belfast today. Their itinerary include music and dancing as the city prepares to host Fleadh Ceoil hEireann this year and next.
Drumming up excitement for this year's Fleadh Ceoil hEireann, Britain's King Charles and Queen Camilla got a preview of the festival in Belfast today. The city is hosting the Fleadh for the very first time in August. Collaborations between traditional Irish musicians and the Belfast Bands Forum showcase the cross-community focus of this year's event.
I did say that when we went to Wexford last year there would be a little bit of a twist for the Fleadh this year, and we have included all different communities, so I think for the Fleadh itself it'll be slightly different and it'll be exciting. I think it'll be a really exciting Fleadh in Belfast.
The King and Queen were entertained by musicians from Ard's Fleadh Ceoil hEireann before trying their hand at the bodhrán.
There was two bodhráns on the seat, and I think they spotted them, and they said, "Oh, we'll have a little tinkle on that." So it was great. So we were joking, saying they might, you never know, they might enter the Great Britain Fleadh this year. They could be at the All Ireland yet competing.
Irish dancers from across Northern Ireland took to the stage alongside the British royals.
He asked us if we were professionals, and we're not. And then he was talking to us about the instrument they gave him, the bodhrán, and the shoes we're wearing and all, and just like how long we've been dancing for and stuff. So yeah, very exciting, very exciting.
The first stop of today's visit took place in the city's Titanic Quarter. After getting into the spirit, the King and Queen also got a taste of what else Belfast has to offer at the Titanic Whisky Distillers on King Charles' 43rd visit to Northern Ireland. His first visit to the Republic of Ireland as King expected to happen next year. Laura Hogan, RTE News, Belfast.